Syft AI has just launched, and in this review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software. Whether you're new to Syft or exploring the latest in AI technology, stay tuned, because we're about to break down what makes Syft stand out, and if it's the right fit for you, you'll want to stick around till the end for a special offer and to see if Syft AI is really as good as the buzz makes it out to be. Right off the bat, Syft AI brings a fresh perspective to AI-powered solutions. Unlike other platforms, Syft is designed to simplify automation, making it more accessible even to those who don't have extensive technical backgrounds. It's user-friendly, but doesn't compromise on power. If you're looking for an AI software that doesn't just look sleek, but actually delivers, this is one to consider. One of the key selling points of Syft AI is its versatility. This isn't just a one-trick pony. Whether you need AI for data analysis, customer service, or even content generation, Syft has you covered. It integrates with multiple platforms, allowing for seamless automation of everyday tasks. You're not just getting an AI tool, you're getting a full-service automation assistant that's scalable for your business needs. Another reason Syft stands out is its speed and efficiency. The AI is designed to handle tasks quickly, and for anyone who's used slow, clunky software in the past, you'll notice how much faster and smoother Syft is. It processes data faster, performs tasks with fewer errors, and provides results in real time, making it a great tool for businesses that need quick turnarounds. Now, let's talk about Syft AI's learning capabilities. One of the most impressive things about this software is how quickly it adapts to your needs. Syft learns from your interactions, meaning that over time, the more you use it, the better it gets at predicting and automating tasks. This kind of adaptive intelligence is what makes Syft a true AI powerhouse. It's not just an AI tool, it becomes more personalized as it learns. On top of that, Syft is built with advanced security features. We all know how critical security is when dealing with sensitive data, and Syft has strong encryption and security measures to keep your data safe. For businesses looking to protect client information, this is a major plus and something you should absolutely consider when evaluating AI solutions. Another big selling point is the customization. Whether you're a small business or part of a larger enterprise, Syft AI offers customization options that let you tailor the software to fit your specific needs. You can tweak workflows, set up personalized dashboards, and integrate with other software to streamline processes. If you're someone who needs a software solution that's flexible and adaptable, Syft excels in that area. And of course, Syft AI also integrates with other tools and services you already use, like email marketing platforms, CRMs, and other software commonly used in digital marketing. If you're running campaigns or managing customer relationships, Syft can help you automate tedious tasks so you can focus on the high-level work. Plus, with its intuitive design, setting everything up is a breeze. No complex installations or steep learning curves here. If you're interested, you can try Syft AI for free with the link in the description below. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a small business, or part of a large organization, testing it out will give you first-hand experience with its capabilities. To wrap up, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've come to know what works, and Syft AI is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, fast, and customizable AI solution. You can check out Syft and other recommended AI software in the description below. Be sure to give them a try and see how they can transform your workflow. Thanks for watching.